Hello, everyone. I'm going to throw a bit of a curveball at you today, and we're going to talk market data, not consumer data. My name is Erik Akre, and I'm Director of Global Sales at Xignite. I'm here to talk to you today about how Xignite is powering the next generation of finance. The problem we solve is really pretty simple. Financial market data is a very complex world littered with legacy technologies. It typically makes getting that data into applications complex, timely, and very costly. We solve this by making market data really easier than it's ever been. We have over 1,000 APIs, which is very comprehensive. We support many delivery methods, which make this data easy to use, very easy to integrate, which include REST APIs, files, widgets, and even a recently released cloud streaming solution, which we showcased at FinTech this year. Our Amazon platform is really the fastest and most reliable of its kind. I know you guys are familiar with cloud technology, whether it's Google, Microsoft, we use AWS. Our main differentiator are really the ease of use of our APIs. We enable our clients to go to market quickly and scale very quickly. Here's a little bit about our company by the numbers. Today we have more than 1,000 clients in 56 different countries. We're a pretty small shop with only 40 employees on the outskirts of Silicon Valley in San Mateo, California. To date, we've raised more than $37 million, to include a $20 million round as recently as last month in the form of a strategic partnership with a company called Quick Corporation in Japan. We have more than 650 API endpoints, sourcing data from 150 different sources worldwide. In terms of coverage, that comes out to roughly 35 million securities that we have market data on. Here are some disruptive use cases. These are companies who we work with. They're our customers. We enable disruptive technologies, disruptive companies. Wealthfront, the largest digital asset manager in terms of AUM, at least in the States. They use Xignite market data. Robinhood, the first and only online free stockbroker, uses Xignite market data APIs as well. And StockTwits, the largest social online investing platform. And lastly, Motif Investing. Oh, no worries. Motif Investing is changing the game in terms of how people invest in ideas that they love. That's the fintech market segment. Enterprises also use Xignite. They leverage our cloud technology and APIs to get new products to market faster than they've ever really been able to do in the development of new applications. In particular, our APIs power Wells Fargo's enterprise-wide equity research platform. That's something used by their entire company today. Yodlee, they're a leading account aggregator. They recently IPO'd on NASDAQ, who's also involved in the consortium of FinTech buzz that we hear going on today. They use our APIs to provide better analytics and better data in regards to clients' brokerage accounts and their portfolios. Bank of Montreal, another enterprise use case. They have a platform in which they call Skyway. It's been nominated for many FinTech Innovation Awards in the FinTech market segment. And as far as large banks go, they're really pioneering the way banks and enterprises think of market data and the technology in which those applications are developed, in particular, Xignite APIs. And NASDAQ, finally, one of the world's largest exchanges in terms of market cap. They use Xignite to power their data-on-demand solution, which delivers more than 7 years of historical trade and quote data to really the entire world. Our APIs are platform agnostic. We're just a method and a means to innovate. Again, back to that term, enabling. Here you can see some general facts related to data, uptime, reliability, support. I'll give you a second to kind of peruse it over. The breadth and depth of our data types and asset classes is really global. As far as frequencies are concerned, we have real-time information, delayed information, and end-of-day and historical data as well. And the message is really, whether you're a fintech looking to disrupt financial services traditionally, or you're a player who's already entrenched in a centuries-old game, Xignite has the data and the technology that you need to get to the next level and innovate within your business. This is why the leading fintech companies in the world, as well as some of the largest financial institutions, use us. We make market data easy. We help them innovate, and we help them reduce infrastructure costs and go to market quickly and reinvent their business. That is all. I'm beating the clock today.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you very much.
Questions?
Yes, certainly. Just 1 second.
Thank you. Okay, since providing data is kind of commodity, so probably your main competitive advantage is pricing. How do you compare in terms of pricing to the mainstream providers of similar data?
We're certainly very competitive on our pricing, and the reason is not because it's just a simple business initiative, but because of our technology. When we talk about scaling and usage on our platform, on AWS, we serve far over 100 billion requests on a monthly basis. So as our users and usage increase, our costs decrease. So we're able to offer that to our clients. Traditionally, how it's been done, I think Wall Street Journal recently came out with an article, and CME sold their data farm for hundreds of millions of dollars, and the upkeep for that infrastructure, for that business, is quite significant, and they have to pass those costs on to their customers. We do not. But there are other ways in which we're kind of changing the game as well. We're managing market data. Our clients are not having to deal with those processes and taking in large swaths of information, compute it, manage it, and ultimately disseminate it throughout the business. They use our API. It's simple, it's easy, and it's over the web.
Vis-a-vis the big guys, the Reuters, the IDCs,
Yeah.
are you a competitor, or are you effectively a distribution channel for these guys?
Friend or foe, it's a big question in the world of market data. It's very incestuous. They're our friends and enemies, but you know what they say, and keep your friends close, put your enemies closer. They actually work with us in many instances. We are a licensed redistributor for many companies in which quite often we come into competition with. We have technology that they don't. We can access markets that they can't. So they leverage the fact that we have the ability to do so.
Excellent. Erik, thank you very much. And this time a coordinated round of applause.
Thank you all.
Thank you.